Okay. Wow, this is really beautiful. I don't think hardly anybody comes up here. Wow. Wow, I don't know if you can see this. Really beautiful. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this stretch of street, and I'll see if I can get a road sign in a minute. But look how cool these houses is. This street feels really quiet, like I'm in a small town. And Merry Christmas. Oh, this is a consulate of Cape Verde. It's me right there. Huh. Yeah, look at that. Cape Verde consulate. I didn't know they had a consulate here. But it makes sense. So yeah, look how beautiful these. I don't know if these are houses or apartments. I almost think they're houses. I think people live in them. And if that's the case, it's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, actually, I've been on this street before, and first time I saw it, it's just something that's kind of unexpected. And down at the base down here, there's a temple as well, which is equally unexpected. And I think that these ones are like single-family homes. I think it's like I might be wrong. It might be a couple families that live in it, but I think it's like, you know, one family per place, I think. But you know, the people who own these have a lot of money, basically. Really amazing. And at the base here, there's also a gas station, and we're kind of up on a hill, so so they probably get the view from there. And we're gonna walk towards the oh, here's Belo Horizonte. Oh, there's a big bamboo way up there. So we're gonna walk across, find a little cafe in a quiet little place like that. And then beautiful buildings right there. Oh, really beautiful. Actually, if you're in that Honolulu cafe, you have this view, which is which adds a whole other feel to the space. Wow, I like that. You would think this is Macau. Oh, this is Zen. Okay. Huh. Really interesting space. In a minute we're going to come upon the temple, and you can see a little bit of it right there. Let's see if the temple's even open. There's a nice view from that space. And if you want to get up here and you live in Macau, it's like the 35 is the only bus that comes up. And we have the temple to the right, which is this kind of pinkish one, and it's open, so we can walk in and take a look around. And I think we can even go down. I think we'll just kind of poke around a little bit. Beautiful. Yeah, I like that a lot. Oh, that's right. Yeah, we can go down that way. Let's just see what we're allowed to see. I think it's for the community. I think. Hope. It's like a greenhouse space right there. Huh. Nice little space too. Okay. Wow, this is really beautiful. I don't think hardly anybody comes up here. Wow. Wow, I don't know if you can see this. Really beautiful. Wow, it's really, really, really beautiful. It's stunningly beautiful. Wow. Kind of in awe by it, actually. beautiful bonsai trees. Yeah, actually, sometimes I feel like I shouldn't be in these spaces, but actually, you know, they're so beautiful and so serene. And they're so nicely manicured and everything you can imagine. So it's like, it's kind of a shame that people wouldn't be allowed to, but I do think they're open, so. This is such a beautiful space. Feed the birds too, right? So much beauty here. Elevator that goes down, I think. Huh, it's a big maybe monastery. You can stay here maybe? What a beautiful space. Yep, I like this a lot. I think could continue on that way, but I think I'm gonna go down instead, and I'll take the camera with me. Oh. Not many tourists come here. There's lots of temples that have tourists and are quite busy. This one is can I walk down that way? That way. Thank you. Wow. Oh, this house is okay, there's the stairwell that I want to take. So much intricacies, and look. Okay, this is exactly where I want to go. I want to walk out into the street. Yep, this is it. This is where I want to go. This is I like this place because you can walk in at one side from way up there, and then you come in on another side. So that's the beautiful thing about having something built on a hill, because you can enter in different spaces. It's beautiful. So we're gonna keep walking through, and I'll show you a little bit more of this stuff around here. That's School of Nations, so beautiful apartment buildings right there. And behind me is that beautiful temple. And I want to capture this goddess before I leave this space. I think she's worthy of the attention. It's so peaceful and quiet right in this space. There she is. Okay. And that's in the background is a beautiful temple right there. So yep, it's really nice. And we're gonna go right on out here. I'm gonna finish right there.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.